My ex-boyfriend was angry for interfering someone's relationship. Years ago, me and my boyfriend then and two of his close friends were staying in the same apartment. Then that time, the other friend's girlfriend went to Dubai for work. Yun pala scam yung work, promised an office job, pinag-waitress sila ng mga kasama niya. Yung kakaalis lang ng girlfriend, may iba nang dinadala yung goy sa apartment namin. Not just once ha, and not just one girl, like WTF diba? Aware pa siya sa situation ng girlfriend niya sa Dubai. 2 months later, nakauwi na yung girlfriend din sa apartment muna namin nagstay. There's this one time na naiwan kaming dalawa lang, di ko mapigilan ang sarili ko, ayaw ng boyfriend ko na mangyalam ako. Makakasira daw ako ng relationship. For him, yung relationship nilang magkaibigan ang masisira, di man lang niya inisip yung girlfriend. So ayun, kinuwento ko sa girlfriend lahat ng nakita ko, narinig ko an paano nilang pinagtatakpan lahat. After nun, nagkulong siya sa room nila at iyak ng iyak. Night came, the guy went home from his duty. Nadatnan niya yung girlfriend niyang nag-aal sa balutan at ayon matinding away. Tinatanong ako ng boyfriend ko kung ano ang nangyayari, di ako makasagot. Nung umalis na ang girlfriend, inaway ako nung goy, dinuro-duro niya ako, sinigaw-sigawan niya ako. The worst part was, my boyfriend did nothing. Inaway pa ako dahil sa pakikialam ko, wala lang sa akin lahat ng yun. I was happy that I helped her get out on that kind of relationship and from that awful man. She was so thankful to me. Then a year later, I went abroad for work. Then I found out my boyfriend did what his friends was doing. Birds of the same feather flock together. How did I know? One of his friends' girlfriend told me. Oh diba, the good karma. Women supports women.
Pero sa una pa lang pag ganun yung friends niya at pinagtatakpan yung mga gawain matik ganun din gagawin sa'yo.
Nung di ka na pinagtanggol ng BF mo, sana umalis ka na. Yun palang di mo agad na-realize na di ka mahal nun. Regardless, you still dodged a bullet. Makahanap ka sana ng mas mamahalin ka and pagtatanggol ka.
Whistleblowing should be normalized until here, and not just in corporate/government settings. You did the right thing. No form of bro code or girl code should be tolerated when immoral stuff such as cheating is now in play, in my opinion. The fact that you stayed with your ex at the time after what he allowed to happen is kinda whack. I would never allow another person to raise their voice to my girlfriend.
You just know that if he tolerates this kind of bullshit, he will most likely do it too. You dodged that piece of work, OP.
Nagustuhan mo ba itong video? Share mo naman kung ano ang tingin mo sa comment section. Kung gusto mo pa ng ganitong mga videos, like and subscribe na sa ating channel. Ingat!